Walter Joy and Morin Racing. Lane number 2 is the 98, and that is Mike Bailey out of Saginaw, Michigan. Lane number 3 is 377 of Adam Osha. Lane 4 is Johnny Davis Jr. with a 13D. Should be a darn good race. All 4 of these guys are big-time winners in this 1,000.